Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome here if you're new. I have a not necessarily first time, but first formal appearance
Yeah.
by Jonas here.
Hey.
Basically, today we bought. Let's just be real. We bought a bunch of shit from Sephora and Ulta.
Yeah.
Like
We really did.
a bunch of shit.
Yeah.
And we're gonna show it to you.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to preface this by saying, one, it's COVID quarantine, and apparently our coping mechanism is buying everything all the time, which is
not the best.
Not what we're supposed to be doing right now. But yeah, we're like, oh, we're headed for economic downturn, and like potentially people are going to have hours cut and they're lose their jobs. We're just like, spend all the money. Not ideal. But we've been enabled because both of us have been watching Nakia Joy, who's lovely and really like one of the best beauty makeup YouTubers I have ever seen. I love her personality. I love how she's just real.
I love how she has almost the same skin as me.
Yeah, see, that's what I like. All the stuff she uses, I was like, well, that's not for me, but I know who it's for. So we've been enjoying that, and we've been ridiculously enabled by it. So thank you / how dare you, Nakia. But I'm gonna link down below her channel, and you all should watch that because she's got good content. She's actually a makeup artist, so she knows what she's doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I just, buy stuff and put it on my face and look terrible.
And I know even less, but
we're here to show you what we bought that we don't know what we're doing.
Yep. This will probably take 20 years because I am the worst at opening boxes.
That's the truth. This is absurd. Okay, so first of all, this is a ridiculous amount of air bubble. I hate this stuff. Unnecessary plastic pollution. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, you say recycle if clean and dry, but it's because I have to drop it off anywhere that I can drop off plastic wrap, which currently is nowhere.
Okay. So
this is from Ulta? Yeah.
This is from Ulta, yes. So thing one is the Infallible Full Wear from L'Oreal Paris, the concealer. This is apparently what you're supposed to use for terrible oily skin like I have. We're going to give it a try. Currently I'm using a NYX product that likes to seep into my terrible under eye lines.
I feel like we should switch.
But anyways, so we're gonna try this because I'm pretty much out of that other thing.
See, the problem with me joking that we should switch is that it's gonna be like darker than my skin tone. So it would be the correct product type, but it would just look comical.
Oh, right. This is you.
That's me. So I'm so excited. So I have another video where I'm talking about how I'm trying this Il Maquillage foundation. I've been wearing the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and while I love that it basically doesn't come off my face without like aggressive scrubbing, I don't love that because I have drier skin and not oily skin, it like sinks into my pores, and it's very, very obvious that I have foundation on. So I've been looking at hydrating foundations and like more non-matte foundations for those of us with dry skin, and this was a good suggestion. So this is Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable. I have to keep looking. That's a lot. See, Nakia's always like, that's a mouthful, and I was like, oh, now I know what you mean. So Too Faced Born This Way Oil-Free Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. So this has, that's French. This has coconut water, alpine rose, hyaluronic acid, and it says it is hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, non-comedogenic. 100% said this foundation blurred their imperfections. 100% said this foundation made their skin look absolutely perfect. 97% said this foundation provided natural coverage. All of those percentages lead me to believe I'm going to hate it, but we'll see.
All right. So here, the next one up is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer. The Skin Smoothing Edition. This was also a rec from Nakia for drugstore-based things for people with oily skin. Me. I don't even know what I'm using for a primer right now. I think it's one of the samples I got from Birchbox, and it hasn't been great, but it hasn't been terrible. So, but anyways, let's give this a try.
Yeah, that's exciting. I might have finally found a primer that I like.
Yeah.
So yeah, the Bare Minerals original something primer. I don't know. I have a sample from Sephora, and it came like primer and a setting powder, and I hate that setting powder, but I love the primer.
It makes your face feel weird.
It does. It's like I feel ashy, like. But I actually really like the primer. That said, I had been using the Benefit Professional, which was fine, but it was not helping my foundation. Even with the new primer, the Bare Minerals one, even the Estee Lauder doesn't like, the double wear doesn't like settle in as much. It still does. Just doesn't do it as much. So I think I might like that better than the Professional, but got a trial of the Professional Hydrate to see if that makes a difference.
All right. So here is the Infallible Pro Matte foundation from L'Oreal Paris. According to their quiz online, I am a natural beige. This looks a little dark to me, but who knows? It's on my face in summer. It might be okay. This is definitely, I think, going to be a summer foundation.
Yeah, that's super dark. I was skeptical, but the photos online were all really orange, so it was really hard to shade match that online, and we could have gone to Target and found it, but one, COVID pandemic, and two, most of the Targets are temporarily closed right now.
Yeah.
So it was a lot harder to just go to a drugstore and look at that.
Yeah. For $12, I was willing to give it a try.
Yeah, it might be dark. I don't know. We'll see. I forgot to tell you all, my shade here in this Too Faced is Warm Nude. Depending on which site you were on and which photo you clicked on, they all look different, and so it was really hard to shade match this, but like that's convincing to me, actually.
Oh, right. Bonus trial for ordering all the L'Oreal stuff. Infallible Matte Lock Mattifying Primer. Maybe I'll like this. Who knows?
I was reading about setting powders for dry skin, and so this one is, it says all skin types, and it's translucent setting powder, smudge and transfer resistant, matte up to 16-hour wear with Dermablend foundations, but that's just a way that they get you to buy all their stuff. So, so this is, it's Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder, and it says locks in makeup to ensure smudge resistance and enhance wearability for up to 16 hours of consistent color wear. Formulated with a weightless micronized powder that goes on transparent upon application, this powder blends smoothly to mattify complexion and leave skin looking flawless. I'm for it. I'm gonna test it on this because I can literally scrape this foundation off my face even though I have setting powder and 2 setting sprays on. So here's what this looks like. It's quite a big jar actually.
Yeah.
So
that's nice.
Yeah.
So the last thing from Ulta for me was the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the anti-aging because I'm getting to be old. This was just basically, again, I have the hooded eyes ever. So I have never used an eyeshadow primer before, but that's apparently supposed to help with the making my eyes look bigger and less dark and squinty. So yeah.
So that's our Ulta purchase. We have some stuff from Sephora, so we'll show you that. Okay, so Sephora box is here. Look, friendlier packaging. Shocking. I just tossed that in a pile of packaging that's over there. We'll just throw trash on the floor. It's no thing.
Yeah. So this box is pretty much all stuff I ordered for myself and one gift for our sister. Yeah. So this is going to be a lot of me talking. So we got the Waso eye-opening essence from Shiseido. I'm about out of under eye cream, and this was super on sale, so I thought I'd give it a try. Green tea seems to be one of the big things in
Yeah.
this. And really, dark circles, puffiness, and refresh your tired eyes.
I really like green tea in the caffeine in the eye stuff. It really helps. What I'm really intrigued about with this Shiseido, I ordered a primer, which is here, but it's in COVID quarantine right now. That's also from the Lasso. It's using wasabi, which is like, it's horseradish, so it's like kind of the concept of like it tingles on your skin and kind of activates. So I'm really interested to see how that goes.
Item number 2 from Supergoop, the Daily Correct CC Cream. This is mostly because I'm almost out of my BB cream, and I like that the BB cream and CC cream for days in the summer where I know I'm going to be outside a lot, because the SPF in it is 35 on both of them, and in my foundations it's usually 15 or nothing. So
yeah, we've been trying a lot of the Supergoop stuff because Jonas has been having like weird contact dermatitis reactions to a bunch of stuff, and sunscreen's one of them. And so the Supergoop ones don't have the ingredients that seem to do that. So
yeah,
I've actually, we had a trial of a bunch of their stuff, and I've actually been really impressed with it. I don't know how you're feeling, but I felt like it was really good.
I'm not breaking out in hives.
Okay, cool.
Improvement. I'm not getting sunburned, so it's pretty much doing all that I want. So once my MAC BB cream is used up, I'll be using this on days when I know we're like gonna be outside for a long time on my face.
Syntax.
Yeah.
You're gonna be outside for a long time on your face?
Yeah, on my face.
Okay.
You're
just gonna face down on the sidewalk, or...
I mean, sometimes you just have to lie down wherever you are, and your face ends up on things, so you need a layer of protection between yourself and whatever your face is on. Another thing, so basically I bought all of this when Sephora was having like a huge % off sale, and one of the things that was on sale was this pack, the Ole Henriksen Balance It All. There's the Balance Your Oil Cleanser, Balance Force Oil Control Toner, and Balance Oil Control Hydrator. This, as we have established, is because my skin is oily, especially in summer. I don't know what it is about the humidity, but...
You don't know what it is about humidity that makes you... Okay.
Yeah, no.
Like, if you haven't learned that by now, I can't explain it to you.
No. So, I inherited most of my
Ole Henriksen. Yeah, I'm so sad about it. Because I was using it last summer and loved it. But basically starting in October, I was getting this contact dermatitis reaction, and I couldn't figure out what was doing it, because I had been using the Ole Henriksen stuff, like the Sea Rush and all of that, for months and loving it. And then all of a sudden I couldn't use it anymore. And I've tried reintroducing it in the summer now that my skin is, now that it's not dry, and it still does it. So I think it's the fragrances that they use in it. So I'm really sad. Now I look old because I don't have that oily glow.
Yeah. So as an oily person, I'm excited about this. I'm also excited because I just finished my vitamin C toner. So getting another toner that isn't the $1 bottle of Thayer's from Target to use is pretty great. That
Thayer's Witch Hazel toner is really good, though.
It's great. It doesn't work as well for me as like the vitamin C one. But
no, that's fair. I love
for
that
its
stuff.
price though. It's great.
I love that stuff.
Yeah. And then the last thing in this box is, like I said, a gift for our sister. It's Fenty Beauty. It's the Kilowatt Foil. Anyways, it looked cool. I thought it would look good on our sister. And so so we're gonna mail this with the thing that's in...
Yeah, I have a thing too, again, still in COVID quarantine, but she just had a major surgery and is recovering from that. And I'm basically sending her a whole new wardrobe, because I was talking about how I was buying all this stuff and that I needed less stuff, not more stuff, which led to her saying, you can send me whatever you don't want. I always need stuff. And I was like, look here. And I sent her photos of literally everything that was in our boxes in the basement of stuff to get rid of. And I'm sending her, I think like 18 things. It's like a whole new wardrobe. But she's really excited, and I'm really excited, and everything's good. So we're also gonna send her this and the other thing that I bought, which I think is a liquid lipstick trio. I honestly can't remember right now.
I think that's what you did.
I'm pretty sure that's what it is.
Yeah.
It's also Fenty.
Yeah.
But, so yeah, so that's coming. So this is I don't have anything exciting from the Sephora. I bought a primer and something for our sister. So.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, in the future, if people care, or we might just make it anyways, I'm gonna play with all of the stuff that I just got, and you can see the food put on their makeup.
The food put on their makeup. Thanks for, sitting here and watching us show you stuff we bought. Like we're influencers or something. No, we just spend a lot of money on stuff. And the point of the channel is let's not spend a lot of money on stuff. So, I like to publicly account my failings.
Yep.
Let us know if you want reviews of any of these products. If you want to see any of it in more detail. If you want to see us do more of this stuff. I don't know. I mean, we can. I haven't, but I can. So let us know what you think in the comments. Leave us your thoughts, feedback. Do you want to see more of like in-depth reviews of these products? Do you want us to never talk about makeup again?
Do you want to see us struggle to put the makeup on?
Yeah. We're happy to do all of those things. So thanks for watching, and click subscribe if you want to get more content. And have a good day.
Thanks for letting me be on your video.
You're welcome.